Chennai-based AgniKul Cosmos has successfully conducted a test firing of two electric pump-fed semi-cryogenic engines. It's runtime, your daily 24-hour Indian tech recap, and this is a first-of-its-kind test for India's private space sector. Both engines were fired simultaneously and were managed by in-house engine control software, and this demonstrates AgniKul's advanced thrust balancing and control capabilities. Now, unlike conventional liquid fuel engines that rely on turbopumps powered by hot gases, AgniKul's system uses electric motors to feed liquid oxygen and refined kerosene into the combustion chamber. And this configuration allows for precise thrust management, improved reliability, and most importantly, a reusable engine design with fewer moving parts. Now, electric pump-fed engines have been used before by Rocket Lab's Rutherford engine, but AgniKul's successful twin engine test is a pretty important step for them as they attempt to scale their technology for larger rockets. And this test, by the way, is part of a larger redesign of the Agniban launch vehicle, which aims to have a recoverable booster and dual-purpose upper stage. All right, next up, Bengaluru-based Prime Toolings has completed the prototype of an indigenous detonation engine designed for missile applications. And it uses kerosene as the fuel and nitrous oxide as the oxidizer, and the first round of testing will use a non-guided disposable missile body to validate the engine's overall performance. Now, Prime Toolings has said that this prototype cost them about 72,000 rupees to build, and that comparable market builds cost upwards of 10 lakh rupees. And just to briefly explain what a detonation engine is, unlike conventional rocket engines that rely on constant pressure combustion, detonation engines use supersonic shock waves to ignite the fuel. And this process releases energy more efficiently, resulting in higher fuel efficiency and a better thrust-to-weight ratio. Now, it is worth noting here that Prime Toolings is currently looking for a test site to conduct their first launch, and they also need a fuel license as well. And so they're looking for folks who can collaborate to make these two things happen. All right, next up, I want to highlight something that just launched, Mosaic's Network. And this initiative aims to connect founders working in hardware, manufacturing, and AI. It's basically a collaborative online space for startup founders developing physical technology like robots, drones, wearables, and industrial automation systems. And these kinds of entrepreneurs face tons of challenges when it comes to stuff like design and fundraising and certifications and supply chains. And so the goal here really is to connect everyone together so that founders in these sectors can learn and grow quickly. And Mosaic's is currently invite only, but it is free to apply for and join, and you can check it out at mosaics.network. All right, that is all of the Indian tech news that I have for you all today. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.